In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replay your games in League of Legends. If you've ever wanted to review your plays, check your decision making, or just relive a great match, this is the simplest way to do it using the built-in client. Start by opening the League client and logging in. Give the client a moment to finish any updates, because replays work best when you're on the current patch. Once you're in, look to the top right of the client window and click on your profile. This takes you to your personal hub, where you can see your stats, ranks, and recent activity. Along the top of your profile, you'll notice several tabs. Click on Match History. This shows a chronological list of your recent games, including the map, champion, and result. Next to each individual game, you'll see a small download button. That's the key to getting your replay. Click the download button for the game you want to review. The client will start fetching that replay file and save it locally. Depending on your connection and the size of the file, this may take a moment, so it's a good idea to leave the client open and avoid closing it while the download completes. When the download finishes, the same button you pressed will change, allowing you to launch the replay. Click it again to open the game in the built-in replay viewer. The replay will load right inside the client, and you can watch the match from the start. From here, you'll have access to the standard replay controls provided by the client, which let you move through the timeline and observe the action clearly. A few quick notes to make your experience smoother. If you don't see a download button next to a particular game, or if it's grayed out, that usually means the replay is no longer available, often because the game was played on an older patch. Replays are tied to the patch they were recorded on, so they expire after major updates. Also, different game modes may not support replays in the same way, so focus on standard matches for the most reliable results. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to your profile, open Match History, download the game you want, and click again to watch it. Use this to analyze your positioning, vision control, and objective timing, and you'll quickly spot patterns you can improve. Thanks for watching, and enjoy reviewing your games.